What's up, everybody? Right here, I just got these boxes, pretty big boxes. This one's from Etnies. Got the blind, and very thankful for it. You know, even though I work hard, I'm still thankful for it. So let's get into the Etnies box. Pretty big.
You move that over if you want. I don't know if you can lift that.
Okay. And he's hooked it up. Alright, let's get into the first box. Oh! These are hard. Jocelyn's, the green ones. Those are sick. Michelin. There you go. I'll put it back in the box.
Or you could put one on the box each. Put it out, put it on there.
Oh yes sir, the beers. As you guys know, I already got some of these. Love these. There you go. It's all about display. Hat. Ooh! Damn, these are sick. Damn, I've never had these before. Height. Damn, that's sick. Woo! That bike's kind of, that one's kind of lopsided. Let's see what these are. Woo! Damn, these are hard. Ooh. Jesus. They're sending me some clean ones. I don't know if we got more room over there.
Let's see.
Now we got one more. Let's get it.
Oh.
God. Bro.
All right.
These are hard.
Plant savers.
I don't even know what these are. I don't even know they had these.
Plant a tree.
Ha. Jesus. Man, I don't even know if it's gonna fit.
What is this? Oh, there's more down there.
Then put it. I don't want to get them dirty.
Let's put it right there.
Trust the razor blade. Oh, we got some clothes. See? What is this?
Beanie.
Oh, this is actually really sick because it's like a plain black with that in these.
All right.
That right there. Ooh, I got a shirt just like this.
Clean.
I just wanted to say shout out to Jameson Pierre for the box. Much love, guys. Alright, now we're about to get into the blind box. Okay, let's see. Okay. Got the good old razor. The price.
I'll pull it up, baby. Now cut right there. There you go.
Oh, this one. Ooh. Hey. Ugh.
See what you got in there.
Oh God.
Turn it the other way. You got. Oh, okay.
Oh my.
What is it?
I don't even want you to see it. Bro, these
I
are
can see
hard.
the front. It says Mickey Papa. Oh.
Dude, that's hard.
That's clean.
Heck yeah. That's sick. Okay, I'm pretty sure they might get
What size is this?
8. Finally stepped up. Getting bigger now. Another one.
Oh, okay, Mick.
We've got 2 so far. 2. 3.
There we go.
Different top.
Whatever they send you, it's a blessing.
Heck yeah. Even just to get boards. 4. 5. 6.
All right.
One more.
There we go. All
6.
Mickeys.
Heck yeah.
There we go, baby.
Just saw Mickey yesterday. Is there anything else?
Hey, who knows? Maybe skating on a Mickey board.
Might give me the power.
Yeah. You know, Mickey's crazy.
I think that was it.
You guys better know about him. Crazy tech wizard.
Yeah, insane. Okay, let's see. So I got the skull with the grenade. That's so sick. And it's like, it looks like animated kind of.
Yeah.
The
Oh,
board.
and you better watch out because he already pulled the pin.
Oh,
Yeah, that thing's ready to blow up.
it might just blow up when I'm skating.
What's it say on there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Let's see. 30 days guarantee against breakage, manufacturer defects, and overall craftsmanship. 100% Canadian maple.
Okay, that's all you need to know.
Lighter decks with longer pop. Every deck feels the same. Sick.
So for you riding on blind boards, for how long now?
And like
3, 4 years?
Yeah, I remember the first time I got a blind board. I got the package, set up a board, went straight to the 4 block when it was there, and did a double varial with my
Filmed
mom.
by mom.
Yeah,
Yep.
and my dad kind of had a little disbelief because when I'm with my mom, I don't really skate too good because it's not the same as me and my dad's
The
relationship
connection,
skating.
yeah.
So when my mom called my dad, he got it. My dad was like, "What the no way?" And I was like, "Yeah, I got it." I was super high. I was like 9 years old. Yes! Oh! I was like living the dream.
That's right. You're still living the dream.
Yeah. And
To
then,
me.
heck yeah.
So my question is, you riding these boards, right? How do you like them? Like, be honest.
Oh, like super good. A gang of pop, and I just like the way it feels. And then,
So would
A lot.
you recommend this to
oh
anybody?
yeah, definitely. And then a lot of my homies on here, like TJ, you got Mike, P War, something like that. I think so. Mickey,
Hour. I can't
yeah.
really pronounce his
Yeah,
name
I know.
either, but he's a
Mickey
monster.
Papa, Seva used to be on it, the homie. Yeah, TJ Rogers. So just a blessing to be on the team with all those insane guys. Bill Weiss. I want to give a shout out to him too. Bill Weiss, thank you very much. I appreciate it for 6 boards, you know. It's
Can't ask nothing better. Etnies,
yeah.
Blind, they show him love, and to all his other sponsors,
1,
dude.
2,
As
3, 4,
as
5.
his dad, seeing this, it's incredible, dude. They show so much love to this little dude as he puts in work.
Yeah, and that's
But
just,
even if you put in work, they don't have to show you love. You know, you could just do it just because you love it. But they say work speaks for itself, and I definitely got to hand it to him. He puts it in to, you know, make his craft better every day when we can skate. Because the rain be stopping us.
The rain's
or
been,
sometimes even driving, because, you know,
we live
it's just me and him driving.
We live in Chino. We're not down to drive like an hour every single day to LA. I mean,
well, we get it in.
Yeah, if we wanted to, we could, but I'm pretty sure we don't want to go there every day.
We get it in, dude. So
we skate where we can, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just very thankful for all this stuff.
And look at the shoes you got on.
Oh, yeah. Just skated these yesterday.
So would you recommend these for people to skate?
Oh,
honest opinion?
These ones, the Veers and all the Annie's Maranas. All the best.
Like jumping down stuff, what do you think?
Yeah, pretty good, and then they come with like a pretty decent insole with the shoe just itself. But
and for me to see him as his dad seeing him skate, I feel like the shoe is real durable because they last.
Yeah, they last a long time.
They last a long time.
Just
and then
me though, since I'm not saying like not like privileged, but I have a chance to change my shoe whenever I want to. So sometimes just like wear a new shoe whenever I want to, because. Just to look fresh.
I think that's anybody.
Yeah, just
if
to look
you
fresh
got
or
it,
something, yeah.
why not, right? But he blesses people, and because we get blessed, he gets blessed, man. Thanks to everybody that supports my son, and I know he feels the same. Thanks to all the supporters, the day ones, the homies at the skate parks. You know, everybody, dude.
Yeah, so just want to say
thank you
to all you guys. I really appreciate it.
Look, he's playing the guitar for you guys.
Alright. My favorite saying, like you guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.